China just changed the Middle East security game, and markets are waking up. Reports now say Iran is close to buying supersonic cruise missiles from China, weapons designed to evade defenses and threaten U.S. naval power in the Gulf. This isn't a small arms deal. This could shift the balance of military power in one of the world's most critical choke points, the Persian Gulf. And here's the trade relevance. Oil prices are already surging as tensions rise. Safe haven assets like gold spike on geopolitical fear. Risk assets get shaky because traders price uncertainty before confirmation. And global liquidity gets rerouted into hedge assets. This is more than just another headline. This is structural risk unfolding, where geopolitics and markets collide. If China arms Iran with advanced missile systems, naval tensions rises, oil flows face new threats, risk sentiment weakens, cross-asset volatility explodes, and traders who price political risk early win. When weapons deals become market events, you don't trade price. You trade fear plus uncertainty. Wisdom leads, action follows.